So for the adult side version, I started out by using a dinner plate to draw on cardboard to make the adult template. And for the child version, which is like from 3 to 10 or 11, I use a breakfast plate and I drew on cardboard again to make a template. So I made my 2 templates. Then from that template, I put it on material, right? And I drew it out. And after I drew it out, I pin it before I cut it. Then I cut it. See, I have doubled the material. I doubled the material. Sorry, I didn't say that. And then the rest of the hat you fold. You fold one time like this and fold another time like this. And then you take your scissors and you cut this first fold right to the top, right? This will actually make 4, not 2. And then you cut this one right to the top, right? And then you take your machine. This is just another one I did already. You sew the first one, open it up like that. So the second one, you put them right side facing, open it up like that. Then you face them together and you pin them along. I'll show you how to do that after this. Okay, after you cut them how I showed you, you put them, you turn the you put the right sides together, right? So you put the right sides together like this and you pin them in place. And you do that for both pieces. The same thing with this one. You put the right sides together and you pin it in place. And you go to the machine and you sew along where you put the pins, here and here. And you turn it on the right side. And again with right sides together, you put it back together, right? And again you pin. Sorry, I don't have pinning distance right now. You pin the seams first in place. Make sure that you get it neat. You open your seams. It's the best thing to do. I like opening my seams. I like ironing too. I would iron this as well. I just didn't want to fit the iron under this, but I would iron it as well. I pin them in place. As much pins as you can get in there. Just make sure you don't run your sewing machine over the pins because it ruins it. But basically that's what I do. And then I go back to the sewing machine.
I stitched it all around and I left a little hole here, a little hole so that I can turn it inside out. And honestly, you can use anything you have in your arsenal to get this baby around. Just continue till you get all of it through here.
Then when you get it all through here, you take your scissors or something pointy. Doesn't have to be your scissors, but anything that you think would work. And you kind of just work out the ends, which is really only that. Then you give it a good iron. You give this a good iron on the ironing board. And then you pin in the ends like this. Once again, you pin in the ends. Like that. And you can stitch this by hand or by machine. I prefer machine for everything, so I stitch those down. And you take your elastic or some shoelaces and run it through the back. Just stitch as close to here. I'll come back and show you how it looks when I'm done. This is me wearing the mask. And it doesn't need a pipe cleaner or anything kind of wire for the nose because it fits snug. It fits snug under your chin. You can talk very well with it. You don't feel like you're being suffocated. That's what I like about it. This is my 5th different type of mask I made. And from all of them I made, this is the one I love the best. So I'm just showing you guys exactly how it looks on me. Okay, so this would fit Carlos as well, and you could make smaller ones for the kids, as I showed in the original templates. The smaller template is for kids. Easy mask to make. I had this elastic that I use, just a thin elastic that came off some packaging or something. You can use shoelaces as well, and that's about it. Thank you for watching my video.